What's up, everybody? This is Rockin Chris over at Phoenix Triumph in Mesa, Arizona. I wanted to tell you guys about this Triumph Muc-Off dry bag and what it's all about. You might be asking, Chris, what's in this bag and what makes it so special and what gives it such a great value? Well, let me show you. Come on over here, we'll check it all out. This contains all these goodies right here. It's a cleaning kit for your motorcycle. Pretty much any kind of finish, any kind of paint, this works real good on. So we're gonna start off over here with the pink stuff. This is your basic motorcycle cleaner. This is gonna be your matte finish detailer. This is gonna be your motorcycle protector. And then it also comes with a chain cleaner and chain lube, as well as a sponge, microfiber cloth, and some fancy little spray bottle tips you can put on these guys. And what makes it such a good value is this thing is 75 bucks. If you were to buy all these items separately with this dry bag, you would be way over $75 mark. So this is just a great value for you to help you keep your motorcycle clean during this summer. I know here in Arizona it gets a little warm, but we ride a little bit longer than most places. So this is just a great thing for you to have in your garage or in your house to help you keep your bike shiny side up, rubber side down. Hope you all are having a great week, and we'll talk to you later. Keep rocking and rolling.